We're going to pick back up our series on inventory counting by showing you how to join an active inventory count. So similarly to creating a new one, just log on to your back office and head to Tools, and then Inventory Tools, Inventory Counting. And here you can see a list of all the active and open inventory counts. Go ahead and particularly look for one that is open, but in particular find one that is the reference number that you're interested in looking. That's why picking a meaningful name can be helpful. And there are a couple different ways to access the inventory count to join the counting. One is by drilling in and editing this inventory count. I do have a join inventory count button that will bring me to the page I want to go to. But just from this main page here, I can actually click the join inventory count button as well. And you can see this brings us to a more streamlined page. This is more optimized for data entry. One of the things we opted to do was make this page available pretty much from anything that can access a website, whether that be a Chromebook, a tablet, a iPhone, you name it. If it can access the web, it can pretty much pull up one of these pages. We just wanted to make it super simple for multiple devices to be joining in and counting at the same time. So once you are in this page, you can either use a barcode, which I would highly recommend, bringing a barcode scanner if you can, or using the camera on your device to scan the barcode. But once we start typing in or entering in an item, we can see Bud Light Keg, and then I either hit enter or if I'm scanning, it'll just automatically do this for me. Brings me to the quantity field. Here I can enter in how many items I'm counting. So if I am in the cooler and I'm counting 5 kegs, I can hit 5, and I can, again, commit this in a number of ways. I can either hit enter on the keyboard, I can tab away from the field, or I can hit this plus button, and it will add. You can see it added the RITE user counted 5 at this time. Now if I go back and I count, let's say, one more sitting at the dock that hasn't been brought into the cooler yet, I can still add one more, and you can see these will be 2 different items and or 2 different counts, but it's going to sum those items up once we finalize everything towards the end. Once I'm done in this page, I actually can just close out. There's nothing special I need to do to commit or save. Once something's added to this page, it's there. If we need to go make corrections, we can make the corrections in the form of negative items. So if I need to actually subtract one of those Bud Light kegs off of there, I can do that. And now we're back to a total of 5. So once this page is the way you want it to, or you've finished counting a particular section, you can just simply close out of this, and then the remainder of the dirty work is done during the finalization process, which we'll cover in another video. A couple other interesting key points when we come into here. There is this print a QR code to join the inventory. This will actually pop up a nice QR code for you to either scan on the screen or print off and scan later on any mobile device that is capable of reading a QR code, like a tablet or a mobile phone. This is just a shortcut way of getting you into a inventory count faster than having to type everything up and pull it up in a browser. And then lastly, I'll just throw in a quick pop. I don't have it on the screen here, but we do have a Cloud Retailer mobile application as well. That is a specific Android/iOS application that streamlines this process even further, making it part of a more native experience rather than a web browser-based experience. If you do want more information on that, please reach out to one of our technical folks or one of our customer service folks, and we can get you some more information. I will be joining back up with the next video on how to finalize an inventory count.